Have you been feeling less interested in intimacy lately? You're not alone. According to a paper in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, nearly 40% of women report low libido at some point in their lives. Today, we're going to explore 5 common causes of a low sex drive and discuss natural ways you can support a healthier libido. These ideas may help you feel more connected to your body and your relationship. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Your support means the world to us. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps share our message with a wider audience. I'm excited to hear your thoughts on today's topic. If you enjoyed the content, type yes in the comments below. If it didn't resonate with you, let me know by typing no. Your feedback is incredibly valuable and helps me craft videos that better suit your interests. Now, let's explore the 5 causes of low libido in women and what you can do to address them naturally. Number 1, hormonal imbalances. Hormones such as estrogen, testosterone, and progesterone play a big role in regulating sexual desire. If these hormones become unbalanced, perhaps due to menopause, birth control, or pregnancy, you might notice a dip in libido. Dr. Mary Jane Minkin, a gynecologist and clinical professor at the Yale School of Medicine, suggests that even slight changes in hormone levels can influence a woman's physical and emotional readiness for intimacy. Stress or significant life changes can also knock hormones out of balance, making it harder to feel interested in sex. If you suspect your hormones are off, start by keeping track of your symptoms, like mood swings or changes in your menstrual cycle, and consider speaking with a healthcare provider who can run tests or recommend personalized strategies. How to fix it naturally. Some women find relief through regular exercise, which supports hormone regulation and can improve energy levels. You may also look into foods that help stabilize hormones, such as those containing healthy fats like avocados or salmon. If you're nearing menopause or dealing with other hormone-related challenges, a healthcare professional might discuss options like bioidentical hormone therapy or certain herbal supplements, though it's always wise to proceed under medical guidance. Number 2, stress and fatigue. Stress is one of the most common reasons for low libido. When life feels overwhelming, due to work, family obligations, or even health concerns, it's normal for your body to shift its focus away from sexual desire. High levels of the stress hormone cortisol can interfere with the normal function of sex hormones, making it even more difficult to feel in the mood. Fatigue goes hand in hand with stress. If you're always tired, you may have very little energy left for sexual intimacy. Dr. Lori Brotto, a psychologist and professor at the University of British Columbia, has done extensive research on how mindfulness can help women reconnect with desire. She notes that when women actively work to reduce stress and become more present in the moment, their libido often improves. How to fix it naturally. Start by carving out time for self-care. Simple relaxation techniques like slow, deep breathing or short walks can lower stress. If possible, delegate some tasks to others or set aside moments for rest. Try journaling or talking with a therapist if stress feels unmanageable. Quality sleep is also essential. Aim for 7 to 8 hours a night and consider setting a consistent bedtime to get your body into a healthy rhythm. Better rest often leads to a stronger desire for intimacy. Number 3, relationship issues. Emotional intimacy and overall satisfaction in your relationship can play a crucial role in libido. If there's tension, frequent arguments, or a lack of trust, it's natural to see a drop in sexual desire. Feeling emotionally distant from your partner may make intimacy feel like a chore instead of something you genuinely crave. Sometimes, poor communication about each other's needs and expectations can build resentment. Without open dialogue, misunderstandings can pile up, making it easier to avoid closeness. Feeling unheard or unappreciated can also reduce the motivation to be intimate. How to fix it naturally. Consider having calm, honest conversations with your partner about what you both need. This includes discussing things unrelated to sex, like shared chores, finances, or personal stressors. Couples therapy or counseling can be helpful if you're struggling to communicate effectively. Making time for fun, non-sexual activities together can also strengthen your emotional connection. Something as simple as a weekly date night or a short walk can remind you both why you value each other. Number 4, medication side effects. Certain medications, including antidepressants, high blood pressure drugs, and hormonal contraceptives, can affect libido. These side effects can be frustrating, especially if you rely on the medication for mental or physical health issues. However, being aware of the possible link between your medication and reduced sexual desire is the first step in addressing the problem. Dr. Jen Gunter, a Canadian-American gynecologist, warns that every medication comes with potential side effects, and changes in libido are not uncommon. That doesn't mean you should stop taking your prescriptions, but it does mean you can have a discussion with your doctor or pharmacist. How to fix it naturally. If you think your medication is affecting your libido, talk with a healthcare professional. Sometimes adjusting the dosage or switching to a different medication might help. They may also suggest supplements or lifestyle changes that can help offset the side effects. Never alter your medication routine on your own. Always consult a professional for the best approach. Number 5, lifestyle factors. Lifestyle choices such as smoking, excessive alcohol use, or poor nutrition can take a toll on your overall health, including your sex drive. Smoking affects blood flow, which can reduce arousal, while too much alcohol can disrupt hormonal balance and impair judgment. A diet high in processed foods can leave you feeling sluggish and less inclined to be intimate. Being inactive can also play a part. Without regular movement, you might experience lower energy and a diminished sense of well-being, which can lead to a quieter libido. How to fix it naturally. Focus on small, positive changes in your daily routine. Swap sugary snacks for more nutritious choices like fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. If you smoke, consider seeking help to quit. Improved circulation can do wonders for sexual health. Limit alcohol to moderate levels and drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Try to exercise a few times a week, even if it's just a brisk walk. Over time, these habits can lift your mood and boost your desire. Putting it all together. Low libido isn't always a simple fix. Often, there are many factors at play. For some women, hormone issues might be the main culprit, while for others, it could be a mix of stress, relationship challenges, or medication side effects. The good news is that addressing these concerns one step at a time can bring positive changes. Whether you choose to work on your mindset, adjust your lifestyle, or consult a specialist, each move you make can support a healthier sex drive. Low libido in women can happen for many reasons, but there are natural ways to tackle it. Paying attention to hormones, managing stress, nurturing your relationship, reviewing your medications, and making healthy lifestyle choices can all contribute to improving your sex drive. If you're unsure where to start, think about which of these causes feels most relevant to you and make a small, consistent change in that area. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Your support means the world to us. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps share our message with a wider audience. I'm excited to hear your thoughts on today's topic. If you enjoyed the content, type yes in the comments below. If it didn't resonate with you, let me know by typing no. Your feedback is incredibly valuable and helps me craft videos that better suit your interests. Thank you for joining today's conversation. Remember that it's okay to seek professional help if you suspect an underlying medical issue or if you feel overwhelmed. Feeling connected and fulfilled is a goal worth striving for, and addressing low libido is a meaningful step toward overall well-being.